Welcome! In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through a simple and quick process to change the color of junk emails in Outlook on your PC. If you've been looking for a way to customize your email experience, this guide will help you make your junk email folder more visually distinct. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. You can do this by navigating to the Outlook website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your inbox and other folders. Next, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on it to expand the navigation options. This will display all your folders, including the junk email folder. Now, locate the junk email folder in the list. Right next to it, you'll see 3 dots. These represent additional options for that folder. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Change Color. This option allows you to customize how the junk email folder appears visually. A color palette will pop up, giving you a variety of choices. Choose a color that suits your preference. Whether you want something bold like red or calming like blue, pick whatever helps you easily identify your junk emails at a glance. Once selected, the change will be applied instantly, and that's it. You've successfully customized the color of your junk email folder in Outlook. This small tweak can make managing your emails easier and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in today. If this guide helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might find it useful. Stay organized and enjoy using Outlook with your personalized settings.